In this video, I'm going to show you how to track a FedEx package. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, fedex.com, and by default, it's going to ask you if you want to stay on the official website or if you want to go to your local one. So it's completely up to you. Usually, if you use your local one, it's going to be fine. Then you want to come over here to tracking ID. You want to click in here, paste in the tracking ID, and click on track. Alternatively, you could go to tracking up top and then click in here as well, where it says tracking ID, and click track over here in case this isn't appearing, okay? Now, whenever you hit the track button, it's gonna go to this page in case you have any duplicate results. So if there's more than one shipment found with the following tracking number you entered in, of course, it's going to basically allow you to click on the tracking number over here, and then you'll see the list of all of them, okay? So in my case over here, of course, there's been multiple, so I'm going to click in here, and as you can see, it's gonna say duplicate results found. Now, this page is not gonna show if it's only like one tracking number, and if there's only one specific result, so it's going to show directly the current status. But if this shows, you'll be able to, of course, select yours over here. I blurred these for, of course, security purposes, but then again, you can just see what the statuses currently are. So status for this one was delivered, this one was updated, they have the package, it's on the way, and you can then click on each and every single one of these and see the current status of your, of course, whatever you've ordered. So that's essentially how to track a FedEx package. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.